Celebrate every new upgrade to your home and live your best life with our best birthday deals. Transform your space with a 3-piece Everest Recliner Lounge Suite for only 22,999, or complete your bedroom wish list with a Restonic Vegas Queen Base Set for just 4899. Go to OK Furniture now. Valid until the 5th of July 2026. While stocks last, T's and C's.
It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is kitimes.co.za. 1998 was the knockout stages, right, Bobzin? 1998 France. Sascon.
Sasikhona eFrance in 1998.
2002.
Sasikhona mwana 2002.
2010.
Besikhona mwana.
Namhlanje. Sikhona. And koqala noko sidlala knockout stages. Kule ka 2026. I know ukuthi i-views izawubetha soze sithethe into enye ngebhola, never nobungayapi na. But abafana noko, we have to commend them. We have to give them respect. We have to show them love. Ngendlela abaziconnecte ngayo kule World Cup ka 2026, because abaza ngaphambi kwabo azange bafika kwesi stage. Noko bagqibele kudala 2010 udlala iWorld Cup, so ufika kwesi stage sine players noko engenayo even a single experience yodlala iFIFA World Cup, but namhlanje setanga ngabomzini loba siphumile mhlobam kwiWorld Cup. Siyabuya back ngoku sijonge i-pre-season and gossip here and there ukuthi ubani is going somewhere. But mhlobam masingene namhlanje sidlale ngixesha right namhlanje. Don't you feel kungathi siqhathiwe?
Ay Mr Nke uyasho ukuthi why bangasinikanga le game ngo3 ngathi sigood lapha kubo 3 ekuseni.
Basidlalise ogogo bethu besaphunga ikofu.
Yeah.
Bebe suppose balindile kube 2-3 ogogo bethu balale. Yabona ogogo bethu kabelele. Bobuzini.
No, uzothi ngicabanga ukuthi isikhathi esiright kumele mngani wami ngabe sidlale ngaso. Maybe ngabe kukhona sikwenzile. Because ngathi ex good masidlale ekseni manje.
Kuthi ngabo 3.
Yeah, ngibona ngathi sigood out time because kuvuka nomuntu ongajwayele ukuvuka. Ahamba ubukela le game. Kusho kona ukuthi uma ngabe mhlawumbe besidlale ngalesa sikhathi asazi shame, but yeah, it's football mwana.
Yeah, we are out. We are out, Bobzin. We are disappointed. But ke asikho too critical, asikho too harsh ebafaneni noko basenze proud, because abanye khange baqualify Bobzin. Abanye khange bafike even kwesi stage. So we have to clap hands for them, sibaqhobele izandla. But masingene kuyo mhlobam, ungichazele nje ukuthi ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje.
Shane, ithi ngibulise mngani wami, ngibulise amadoda studio mngani wami. Yeah, Shane, ngicabanga ukuthi for me I will give Amachita credit Shane. I think bazamile ukusinikeza lokho abanako. Ukuthi bafike la bakhona njengoba uceda ukusho Shane. Bekungekho lula if ungabheka the quality yalama team esidlala nawo, especially team esidlala nayo manje. Ubonile ukuthi bangenhla Shane kunathi ngequality Shane, but Amachita they tried. For me ukuthi size siyoidlala i90 plus ngikhani bathola igoli. Ngicabanga ukuthi sidlale kakhulu Shane. Umuntu mhlawumbe ngathi no yena bekayibona lento ilula is because of mhlawumbe ngendlela I understand ngakhona, but mina the way ngibona ngakhona Shane ngibathulela isigqoko Amachita. They tried angifuni ukutshela manga Shane. So and uthi ubheka the way siqale ngakhona the first 10-15 minutes Shane ilento engicabanga ukuthi siyenze kahle, because sibonise ukungasabi ukudlala, sibonise ukuthi okay sifuna ukulibamba, you understand. Yes Amachita njengoba ngisho ngithi bakwazi ukureada igame iopponent besikade sidlala nayo eCanada, but sizama ukuthi sidlale, but after lapho Shane sibonakala sesiba lost. After le water break esitholile uma sibuya ngicabanga ukuthi la ba rectify khona ama mistake wabo amajita ila sengibone ngathi sesicala manje ukuthi asakhona ukudlala the way sicale ngakhona leya game so ukutshela lokho ukuthi uma majita adlala ba busy ba analyze yonke into enzeka lapha egroundini wena Shane so they are good la majita the way ngibone ngakhona ukuthi ba read leya game because thina into bengade ngicabanga ukuthi vele sifuna ukuzitshela ukuthi siya ngayo isite la kaMaseko iattack yethu sibheke kuMaseko because when you look at Police always njengoba udlala cishe ngale game last week ungena ngaphakathi udlala ama back pass uMaseko benzeni ba planning game plan yabo ukuthi no bazi ukuthi nanga umuntu ongasinikeza iproblem bam closer down always uMaseko ma receive ball kunomuntu la aka receive ball amnikeza space because they understand ukuthi uma unganikeza uMaseko space adile ngawo nge1v1 kuzoba neproblem so bona into abayenzile ukuthi bazama ukuthi basibambe thina singadlala okay uRonza today uzamile first half ukuthi ufuna ukudlala lento esimjwayele ngayo angadlali route 1 wafuna ukudlala lamabhola kuphi la kuTebza but benzani lamajita bamnikezile ichance ukuthi akabadlale but enzeni adlali one touch adlali one touch albisele kuRonza or ku defense yakhe but egcineni benzani bamjanga eVima King ila khona benza ukuthi angatheni uTebza afuna ukudlala la thena khona they close ama space I think ba intercept amabhola u2 you understand atuzama ukuphasa so we understand ukuthi I game plan yabo ibasebenzele beCanada ukuthi okay abantu sicabanga ukuthi kumele badlalise le team hilapha so if sizo closer down labantu laba sizoba sicedile and they allow uMbokazi ukudlala ama long ball always bazi ukuthi malisuka uma ngabe uzolinika uMbokazi akalethe ku long ball and long ball bazi kahle ukuthi angeke siwine second ball because sinomahupa ayi1 and always mawudlala le long ball ilenda kumahupa because uzozibuza ukuthi kukuphi la bekumele sibreak khona angeke uyithola impendulo because angeke sikwazi ukubreaka ama line mhlawumbe sithi sicombine ama passes because basivalile lesa space the way badlala ngakhona le ya 4-4-2 yabo ba make sure ukuthi okay asibanikeze space sokuthi badlale then asibanikeze le route 1 then thina sizolibamba size kubo yes dominate le ngapole position uma ngathi yabheka but kuphi dominator kuRonza nama defenders wethu yilaba sifuna khona so ngicabanga ukuthi amajita weCanada Shane leya game plan yabo isebenzele because ekugcineni ila ngicabanga ukuthi igame we wina nangale sikhathi bayiwine ngaso lack of concentration and also mawungabheka the West consider ngakhona sinama midfielder u3 then liyabuya lela bhola ku cross uyalithatha I mean uOkon uletha kuphi phakathi la khona ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe sibe nayo
someone there
imidfield e1 kule captain yabo but nakhona uzo blame ungamblame mina amabhola afana nalawo uma ulethi cross ngazi ukuthi silibisela kuphi la libuya khona Shane osenze khona kick asilifaki phakathi because masilifaka phakathi liba ingozi liku target so ilama results ngicabanga ukuthi egcineni bawathola njalo lamajito eCanada ukuthi senzela ama mistake afana nalawo egcineni but overall Shane amajita mina ngibona adlale kakhulu Shane
for umzansi bobuzini ibafana ungathi sifunde ntoni kule tournament and nawe as umxhasi nomthandi webhola yase South Africa ungathi into lesifundileyo kule tournament because siye ngeplayers ebenzisitsho ukuthi almost 80-90% of the squad is based up with PSL. We have a competitive PSL league. We have a team that plays the CAF Champions League consistently. Remember the Sundowns. We took as a players Sayana Zopa. Now Sibuyile. So where do you think uthi next edition uchincho malubephi bobuzini? Kubafana in order for us ukuthi kahlane team ezifana mhlambe noma Canada at least sikwazi ukhompita. Kahlane teams mhlambe ezifana noma Czech Republic sikwazi ukhompita and win. Do you think mhlambe bobuzini also sending amanye ama players mhlambe abroad could also be a solution kwi improvement ebafana?
Yeah, sending abadlali abroad Shane kumele ubheke iage ukuthi ubathumela abroad bakuyiphi age. Akuncede uthumele umdlali sekakhulile uthi khona zokufunda. I don't think ukuthi khona angakwenza but uyothumela abadlali eOrkanti basasebancane kukhona abazokufunda especially ngedevelopment because uma ungabheka I think idevelopment yethu compare ama team ase Europe iyasishaya because bheka nange technique lamajita ngakhona ukuthi bakubreak abathatha isikhathi shame uvela 10 nje abeka ibhola la uyazi ukuthi okay khona umdlalo ozovela la athatha ibhola libeke behind it ku easy for bona but thina ukuthi ngitrap ngithene kungithatha isikhathi uya understand sengicabanga ukuthi lokho kuya ngokuthi ubathumela abadlali bakuyiphi age shane mhlambe lokho kungasinceda kakhulu but ukuthi singathi mhlambe sizothumela abadlali bakule age and into futhi ngicabanga ukuthi singayenza lento ibe right asicompete la ku AFCON if sizokwazi ukucompete nalamazwi adlala ngalabadlala overseas kusho kona ukuthi kungaba lula nakithi sheni ukuthi masifika kule standard kube khona esikufundile because if sizokwazi ukuthi sicompete nabo Morocco ngicabanga ukuthi bo Senegal Cote d'Ivoire so ngicabanga ukuthi nako lokho kungasinceda sheni so but okunye sheni mina for amajita njengoba ngisho ngibanikeza Shane leyo credit bheka le defense yabafana de uyidlale kahle ngakhona I think uRonza Mbokazi that guy Shane man uyabona the way bazimisele ngakhona ukuthi bebangafuni ukuthi siluze leya game so the only thing engibonile ukuthi be problem ukuthi i-midfield yethu Shane bengakwazi ukudlala because even if ibhola linathi silinokhe afinite asikwazi ukudlala asikwazi ukuthi sibe bheka uReal ukuthi bamenzani bamshana ngebhodi because they understand ukuthi okay abadlali abafana nalabo ngabanikeza space that is why it was difficult for uReal ukuthi angafuna mhlawumbe ukwenza lezi zinto but mina ngiyangacabanga namanje ukuthi ucoach bengithi mhlawumbe uma adonsa uReal angamdonsa maybe uReal amlethe ngapha kulela winger so that alethe umbatha but bakwazi ukuthi uReal umaza ngapha ubani lesizokhona ukuthi assist uma siluze ibhola because ngiyacabanga ukuthi uMadala bekasabela lento ukuthi uReal angakwazi ukuthi a-drop abuya zomakha njengoba sibonile uMaseko bekasebenza overtime i-creativity beyileka also because of kumele abuya zo assista ngapha you understand so ngicabanga ukuthi nako lokho Shane amajita i-game plan yabo vele ibasebenzele ukuthi egcineni badile ngokuanalyze abadlali bethu uyayibona Shane ukuthi ayibheke the way mhlawumbe labo badlala abafana nabo Real ukuthi no bekumele sibalethe ngayiphi indlela because of sibonile ukuthi it was difficult for bona ukuthi bangadlala Shane especially midfield yethu beyinga function right yes Umbatha he came in wazama ukuthi at least ayenze lento mhlawumbe simjwayele ngayo ukuthi uzodropa sikwazi ukudlala mhlawumbe lawo ma long ball sikwazi ukuthi sibreak but bese kunzima Shane for bona because ubonile namasapo wabo ukuthi besebenza ukuthi bazama ukuthi bavale yonke into esicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe singeza ngayo because i-creativity into levele slacka yona Shane.
Well, that's it. Say conclude the season yalonyaka ka 2025-2026. Now we've just concluded i-World Cup yalonyaka ka 2026. Bobuzini enkosi kakhulu mhlobami. I think officially siyavala le season.
Siyavala mona.
Sivalile mhlobami.
Yeah.
Sivalile.
Siyabuya next season Shane. Asivale yabafana iphelela khona la Shane. Singakhohlwa ukuthi kumele uma ngabe chance unayo Shane. Siye airport siyoba welcome amajita ngicabanga ukuthi basa represent kahle so kwamele ukuthi masine chance siye sibalande Shane
most definitely na kanjani we'll have to see ukuthi bazakubuya nini we don't know but ke namhlanje esinokutsho ukuthi siphumile kwi FIFA World Cup yalonyaka ka 2026 bafana nil Canada 1 thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye, please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.